Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and if you're thinking about getting a hitch for your RV or to pull an RV, I'm going to give you 4 things to think about, and I'm going to kind of use this PS Auto hitch as our baseline to compare what it has to the items that you may consider for yours. So hang with me as I go through these few sections very quickly. At the end, I will tell you a special that you can get if you decide on this particular hitch. So the first area, you want to be clear on what type of weight that you're going to be towing. So you'd rather have more abilities than less in your hitch. Now this particular one comes with a 20,000 pound GVWR rated. So kind of refers to the safety side, making sure you're capable of towing what you want. The other thing is you don't want the hitch to be stolen. So also make sure that yours comes with a lock like you see on this one, that you can actually remove the key and have this lock in place. In mind is the versatility of the hitch you get. You can see here how this one has a carriage here that will allow you to drop the hitch or increase the height of the hitch up to 6 inches up or down. Now why is that important? Well, you may have seen some trailers going down the road where the trailer you can see is unlevel. If too much weight's on the front, it raises the front end of what you're towing the vehicle with. Problems then with your steering and braking. If the load is too far back on your trailer, then that will get the swaying of your trailer when you get up certain speeds on the highway. Neither one of those you want. The next thing you'll notice on this PS Auto hitch is that there's 2 balls. There is one that is a 2-inch and then a 2 5/16. So the most common ones, but the nice thing about it allows you to swap it, turn it over, compared to whatever you need on your trailer. That reduces the need to carry extra balls with you. The other thing you want to be conscious of on your hitch is noise reduction. So this particular one comes with rubber spacers that will allow you to bump up against your recess hitch to keep it from rattling. There's a couple other components here that help with noise reduction. So if I pull these pins out, the first one you'll see, this is rubber coated here. So this keeps this from clanging it once it's hooked up. But the other thing that PS Auto Group has done is they put this little screw in here, Allen wrench actually, and they give you the wrench that comes with this, that you can tighten this, which then takes that screw and pushes against the noise reduction spacers you have here to help tighten it down even further. And you'll notice that the ball section here is a different color. This is zinc plated on the PS Auto one, and that's for durability. And the last thing to keep in mind when you're preparing to buy a hitch is the warranty. And I gotta say, these folks at PS Auto have a lifetime warranty on this hitch. And when you look at the reviews, like on Amazon where they sell these, the majority of people are rating them as 5s, the highest they can. So in the description section, I included a link that will take you to the PS Auto site on Amazon if you choose to look either further into the details on this particular unit and decide to get one yourself. The manufacturer, for a limited time, has put a special price on there for you. So hopefully, if you're in the market for one, take advantage of that special deal. And with that said, I hope all your future trips are optimized.